tired of those leaky faucets constantly running up your water bill? And those electrical problems you know you need a certified electrician to handle? Then call Chaikon Services, your one-stop shop for all your household needs. Chaikon Services, your dream is our reality. Now aren't you glad you called Chaikon Services? We can also be contacted on Facebook.
Hi, I'm Courtney Cross. I'm doing a plumbing renovation on this bathroom. What I'm going to do, right behind this toilet here, we're going to run a hot water pipe. Run the hot water, carry it out. Right, run from here, we're carrying it out, across, and to the bath right there. So first, we're going to have to take off this whole panel. Right, we're going to have to take this whole panel off and get the plumbing done. So, panel time. Let's see how best we can do that. I hate working with flathead screws. Flathead screws are just engineered to waste time. Best screws, Phillips. Sometime when the screwdriver can't fit properly, see my pliers with the screws, and let's turn. We got it off. There's a bit of a problem. We will now have to reroute the angle valve under here. We'll have to reroute all of that and put another handle valve right about in this area here. So we're running the pipe there. We're running the pipe from there, coming around the doorway, around behind that other angle valve right there. So we're almost on our way. Thing under here that I don't like. See this? That is what I call trouble. Now with this flex hose, you leave very small room for error. So with that flex hose, we have to be precise. And I'm going to change that out to a flex tube rather than using the flex hose. Right now, we have no choice. We just have to use we just have to go with the flex hose. Oh, I hate that. Oh, flex tube. Need flex hose. We've run our pipe. So this is coming directly from underneath the tub. Right? We have our old lock off here, new lock off. So we're gonna take that off and put it onto this one. And this is our hot water pipe running out. Right? Straight to the new connection line right under there. So we're gonna have connect the hot water right under there. Yeah, so this is how we're gonna play it. Let's take a break, let the tangent dry, and we'll come back. While the pipes are dry, I'm gonna try and undo the hose. From inside here I've managed to screw off both nuts. So this PVC flex is off. And what I'm trying to get off now is this galvanized flex hose. Now I've unhooked the nut right from the pipe. So what I need to do now is to get this hose. It's not as flexible as this, right? So it's gonna take a while for me to get this hose off of the pipe, and the cement here is kind of blocking me from pulling this pipe down, right, so I can get this across to our newly installed hot water. So I have my task set for me. Wish me luck. Okay, so we've connected our hot water. This is the line right there. This one here is a hot water line. So this is the cold water. This can be connected as soon as we do our test. So I'm just waiting for the tangent to dry. There's the line going right back to where it's connected. See the T? So we connected it right here. So we're actually now just waiting for it to dry. Give it our leak test, and then close up the side of the top. That should be us for bathroom renovations. Peace. Cross out.
I won't sin to save my life, but be my wife, and I'll sing just for you. I miss your eyes, your smile, your walk, your lies, and all that you do. The game we played at night, it felt so right. I miss those things too. I wish you'd never go, girl, if you only know the love we had when we were married was incredible.